Hi everyone, welcome to today's Art Talk. We're going to be talking about seascapes. This is a compound word, meaning it has two parts. The last time I spoke, I talked about landscapes. Now, can you see the word sea? Sea meaning the ocean. And then scape is another word for a scene or a setting or a place. So today I have this painting I would like to look at. Let's see what you see in this painting. The first thing that I see are the different types of trees. These are different from the ones that we looked at yesterday. They are different because they are bending and they have long lines here. So this looks tropical, meaning that it is either at an island, on an island, or at the beach. But it's very difficult to see the beach. You can imagine walking down this path. There may be a beach way off in the distance. We just don't see it in this picture. So this is some type of beach scene or island scene. Also look at the colors. The colors are different as well. These are much lighter and brighter colors. Now, since we can't see the ocean in this view, I have another painting that we're going to look at. And this one is a beach scene. We talked about yesterday in my last talk that where the sky and the beach meet are called the horizon line. And in some pictures, like the last one I just showed, it's very difficult to see where that horizon line is. But at the ocean, it is very clear. The ocean sky meets the land and the sea, and there is our horizon line. Again, let's look at this and see what you see. Maybe you see lighter, brighter colors. I can see the aqua blue of the ocean. I can see the beautiful blues, purples, and pinks in the sky. I see the beautiful sand colors and dunes of the sand, and these look like sea oats that grow at the beach. They have kind of a darkish green color, and then they have a little stem that comes up with little bits on it that look like oats, which is why it's called a sea oat. So this seascape, or beach scene, if you'd like to call it that, is another example where you can see that horizon line and the beautiful colors of the ocean. Art has a way of taking us places, and right now we can't go to many places. So it's really good to look at art and imagine ourselves in that place. Now, I have another beach scene that I would like to show you just so you can see something a little different. This ocean scene is similar to this one, but this one is painted with a different type of paint. We've been looking at artwork that is mostly watercolor. Watercolor is a very soft and translucent. That means you can kind of see through when it's applied very lightly. This one is much different. This one is an oil painting, but it too is of the beach, and you can see the ocean and the horizon line again. This one has sea oats. This one has what looks to be either a little fence or maybe a little chair here. But again, the big sky, horizon line, and the land or the beach. I wanted you to see two different types of painting of the same subject, but with different types of material. When you do an oil painting, sometimes it's done on paper like this, but usually it is done on some kind of canvas, or this is a hard canvas board. I also have another seascape to look at. This one doesn't show any land at all. It is simply the water, a very large sailboat, and a beautiful light blue sky. So when you go to paint a picture or draw a picture, and if it's going to be a seascape, you can think about what you can put in your picture, whether it is a boat, maybe an animal jumping out of the water like a dolphin, maybe birds flying. I love to watch the pelicans when they fly at the beach. So, once again, I want you to notice the colors that were chosen. When you go to the beach, the colors are light and bright, especially on a beautiful sunny day. So those are the colors that you might want to think about when you make your own seascape. I also wanted to tell all of you that a lot of the artwork that I'm going to be showing during my art talks were painted by my mom. I'll call her Mama Rose. So if you hear me say Mama Rose painted that painting, she did a lot of the artwork that I am going to show you. Occasionally I'll show you some of the things that I've painted or other people in my family have painted, or just paintings that I have in my house. But I thought this would be a great way for you to get to see some of the beautiful art in my home. It is important for us right now to look at beautiful things and remind us of how much art enriches our lives. So again, today's lesson was on seascapes, and after this talk, you can look for an art demonstration on how you can make your own seascape. Think about what you want to put in your picture today. Thank you.